Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to add employees and contractors in Gusto. So you've got your company info set, bank accounts connected, and you're familiar with the dashboard. Now it's time to add your team. So whether you're paying full-time employees or independent contractors, Gusto makes it pretty easy. So let's go step by step. First step, go to the People section. So from your Gusto dashboard, click on the People tab in the left-hand menu. This is where you will manage all team members, employees, contractors, and even terminated workers if you need to access, their records. Step 2, choose to add a new team member. Click the Add a Person or Add Employee or Contractor button. Gusto may phrase it a little differently depending on updates, but it'll be clear. So you will now get to choose whether you're adding an employee or a contractor. Now this process is similar, but the details and tax setup differs a little bit. So pick the correct type for the person that you're adding. Step 3, enter personal and contact information. Start by filling in the basic information. That's the name, email address, and job titles. For employees, you will need the hire date, work location, and compensation details, either hourly or salaried. Now you also set the pay schedules here. It could be weekly, bi-weekly, whatever it is. But for contractors, it's even simpler. Just contact information and payment details. Step 4, let Gusto handle the paperwork. So once you enter the details, Gusto can automatically send an invite to the person that you added, and they'll get an email with a secure link to enter their tax information, deposit information, and other personal details. Now that way, everything's taken care of electronically. There's no need to chase anyone around down for paperwork. Step 5 is review and save. Now once your team member completes their part, you'll get a notification, and from there you can review everything they've submitted and approve it. And now they're officially in your Gusto system, ready for payroll. And that's it. You successfully added a team member to Gusto. Now whether you're scaling up or working with a small crew, now this step gets your people ready to be paid right and on time. Next up, we'll walk you through how to run your first payroll. You won't want to miss it, so like, subscribe, and keep building your payroll flow. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.